Hello everyone, warm welcome to your My Investment Mastery series, and I'm Priyanka Bhatia from Women on Wealth. Today, if you notice, this is end of May. 5 months to the calendar year 2022 are about to complete. How are we doing? That's the conversation for today, and what your financial roadmap could be for the rest of 2022. So this is what we're going to talk about today. I intend to make it interactive, so join in, participate, really make a difference to your own money life. So while all of you are joining, let's start looking at what the 5 months have been. Have they been slow for you? Have they passed on without you really knowing? Have you done financially well? Has it been as per your expectation? Have you saved well, invested wisely? Have you maximized your income? So start looking at how these 5 months have been for you. What has happened in these last 5 months? And then we can look at the roadmap for the rest of 2022 and probably create some actionables before we close this. So start writing, everybody. I can see many of you have joined in. Please start writing how the 5 months have been. What's up? Hi Prerna, Meenal, Preeti, Jina, good morning. So start writing, guys. You could look at your income. You can look at your savings, investments. How have you been doing? Has it been as per your expectation? Not as per your expectation. You're disappointed. You're happy. You're looking forward to the coming 7 months. So let's take, a check and see. Hey Anjali, hi. Good to have you after long in a life. So everybody start taking account of what has happened and start typing. For me, I can tell you, 2 months have been slow, and the 3 months before that I've done very well. I have saved, invested, I save really aggressively. I invest wisely. I don't really pick newer and newer investments all the time. I already have investments that I've already done, so I just keep topping them up. That's what I keep doing. The systematic investments that I do are continuing. I'm well on track. Yes, 2 months I'm on track. Meenal is saying things are going as per her financial plan, slowly and steadily. Okay, so Meenal, you're on track, right? Financial plan as per track. Hi Diksha, good morning. Preeti is saying savings and investments have happened as per plan, but lately not as per expectations because of the market fluctuations. Yes, and these days market has been really fluctuating. So I get it. Yes, not as per your expectation. Jina is saying it's been a bumpy ride with the stocks, but looking forward to the next couple of months. She saved money and is consistently investing. Got it, Jina. Prerna, income-wise, you've stopped working consciously. Savings-wise, last 5 months have been full of kharcha. Okay. Investment wise, you're sticking to your investments. You've been aggressive in your investments. Okay, got it. Hi Ritu, good morning. So anybody else, you want to take a check on where you have been in the last 5 months, where you started, what commitment did you have on the 1st of January? Are you on track? Well, here are some notes that I have made on what to expect in the journey. Hi, Sonika. So inflation, if you notice, is at an all-time high. We just did a decoding where we saw that inflation rate was at 7.8%. So inflation rate has been high. It is expected to be higher. So plan well so that you have the money to take care of the rising prices. So planning, definitely creating a spending plan is essential. If you look at the stock market, overall there's been a downward trend. There have been upward spurts, but at the same time there have been downward trends. Interest rates have been increasing because the US Federal Reserve increased the interest rates. The RBI also increased the interest rates, so loans are going to be expensive. That's the future coming. Loans are going to be expensive, which means if you buy a house, it's going to be expensive. Yeah. Real estate market has been slow. Not much growth there as of now. Bitcoin, we all know, cryptocurrencies. One crypto has really hit rock bottom. I did a decoding where people have lost 99.5% plus money already in that cryptocurrency. So yeah, the first bust has happened. And I know if the stock market keeps going down, if the downward trend continues, gold may come up, but we are yet to see the progress. So, financially, if I see things, this is how it occurs to me. Nobody knows the future, like I always say. This is just my occurring world that I'm sharing, and I'm okay being wrong. So, what do we do right now? Definitely, I know one thing. If you have a loan, pay it off, because interest rates are rising and it's good to pay off the debt you are in. So become debt free. Don't stick it to debt. It's an important pillar of financial security. So the velocity with which you pay off your debt will be great. Okay. And what are the actions that you can really take? Some of you are saying that, savings have reduced, spending has increased. So it is critical with the rising inflation and with your goals in mind that you maximize your savings. If that means minimizing your expenses. So yeah, everything is costing more and you do not want to really eat away on all your savings. So it is critical that you reduce or minimize your expenses if there is a need for that. If you are thinking of buying a 3 BHK, then maybe you need to downsize and look at a 2 BHK for right now. So downsizing will be important. Invest aggressively, don't be a trader. So especially if you are in the stock market, do not trade. Yeah, there's no hurry of making money. Make money systematically with intelligence, financial intelligence. So trading is not the way forward. This constant buying and selling doesn't work. You end up putting in far more time to make far less the money. So look at long-term investing with stocks. Stay invested for at least 5+ years. Do not invest the money that you will need soon. Invest only in good quality stocks. Diversify your investments, so it's not just stock investing that you do. You need to diversify your investments. Yes, stocks and mutual funds could be investments which are generating the most returns, but that's not it. You got to be picking other investments and sticking around to them. Also, make sure you're systematically investing. Do not invest all the money in one go. Systematically invest over time. Always have your documents in one place. So make sure your documents are in one place so that if something happens, your family can access them really fast. Let your family know that this is where your documents are. Build an emergency fund. The coronavirus crisis has told us that 6 months is not enough. So maybe build an emergency fund for at least 8 months, 12 months. Also, it depends on how secure or insecure your current job or business is. Make sure you have the right insurances. If you don't know how to select good quality insurances, learn and then buy. Do not buy on hearsay. We have many agents who just sell any kind of insurance. Do not buy anything. There's a system to everything, and finance is a system to learn this system and then build this system in your life. Do not make any mistake of just buying anything or everything. So stocks, mutual funds, gold, property, make sure you are managing the diversification right. You still have 7 months to go. Whatever be your goals, how can you now tighten your belt? So this is a course correct live that I am doing. So whatever you've done till now, you can let it go and course correct now. And what is the course correction which is needed for the next 7 months? So everybody start typing. What are you learning, understanding? What are you taking away? Ritu is saying, I have realized that it takes time to organize ourselves in a new, informed and educated way and get over the old ways of earning, organizing, house budget, savings and investing. Like for me, it has been a 5 months of transition process since October 2021 when I did my Money Gym course. Now, when I look back, I see a new me who is happy and confident. More power to you, Ritu. More happiness and more confidence, more abundance your way. And yes, you're right. Any transition, any life-changing event, it takes time for you to, stomach it. The process is long and it needs a lot of time, sure, Ritu, energy, effort. But then I believe it is worth doing. Absolutely. You would anyway, any day choose abundance over, limited ways of thinking. Kaveri is saying she never felt more aware of her finances and plan. Not at all feeling jittery because I know that I have researched my investments. Sucking to it. Bear market will come and go. I will come back up. I have my community to reassure me. Got it. Meenal is saying was tempted to spend on things impulsively but could control. Prepaid my loan partly. Awesome, Meenal. Congratulations. I'm looking forward to hearing from you that you've paid off your loan completely. I know you are one of the many success stories here at Women on Wealth and I would love to hear more progress. Anjali, making a monthly budget and sticking to it? Sure. Mukta, consistent effort? Got it. Prerna, income wise, you've stopped working consciously. So, maybe it's time to course correct. You said 5 full months of kharcha. What can you do about this? So I'm right here to make sure that you grow. Start typing. Okay, start sharing. Everybody, what are you getting? Understanding, learning, start typing. What are you getting? Learning, understanding. Yes, I love those hearts coming. Keep them coming. I'm in love with love. Let's love. Let's just spread love. Thank you, everybody. Thank you for all that love. Yes, we are a community of women, loving women. Hey, Meenal, thank you for saying that you've shared the video already. Thank you. It informs me that you're not just working on your finances, you're not just working on becoming debt free completely, but you're also committed that other women get supported too with their finances. Got it. Thank you. Thank you. Prerna, course correction for you. Savings has to be conscious. You're making a spending plan and you're sticking to it. Got it. Rupali, good to see you in the live. You're saying you're making a budget and you're going to stick to it. Sure. Sure, Prerna. Prerna is saying thank you for this reminder. It is my privilege, Prerna. It's my privilege. I want each one of you to know. I love to see each woman moving forward. That's the only commitment I have. Preeti, I think I'm on the right track. Just need to remain positive? Yes. I think remaining positive is also a very, very important thing. Got it. Brilliant. Love that. Anybody else? You're taking away anything? You want to share the video? You're learning anything? You want me to hear what you're thinking? The only access is to share. Anjali, you're looking at creating a strong business plan. Sure, maximizing your income. That's one action. Got it. The important part is all of us get 5 months are gone. Next 7 months we can turn things around if we are committed. Can we bring ourselves back on track if we are off track? Prerna, you've shared the video. Thank you so much for sharing the video. Sunita is saying money in, money out structure of the Money Gym program has really helped her to check where the money is going. And now she's mindful. Thank you, Women on Wealth, for that. Thank you, Sunita. Thank you so much. Like I always say, it is absolute joy seeing my women moving forward. Namita, after 1 year, your husband finally agreed to surrender his LIC policy. Good job. You persisted. You were patient. You persisted. And today, you can see your family is aligning with you. So that's critical. So on this note, everybody, I'm closing this live. Thank you for participating. Keep coming back and know that we are right here to support you with anything that you have. Just get in touch. Know that we are easily reachable, accessible, and ready to support you. Take charge, stay safe, bye-bye. And now I see you for the decoding of the Economic Times newspaper tomorrow, 10 a.m. live on our Facebook page. Take charge.